Okay. Trying to like apply before the PHM cohort finishes and before CO.
Not a Bichon, you look like some kind of poodle dog.
Hey!
He's lost the floof.
Show off your bow. Good boy.
Being bowl. You don't have to spoon it in, I'm telling you.
No, I want.
Dump it. You dump it in the around them.
What?
He's gonna take a long time to eat dinner now.
Well, hopefully.
This is good. This is good. Hopefully you
Alright,
don't throw up.
your dinner's ready. See what this is about. Okay. He's like, what's going on?
It's a maze.
Why is my food within a maze?
Your plate is a maze for me.
Are his ears going in there?
No. Luckily. You only got front feet on. Front shoes.
We need to get the other two on. Should we get the other two on?
Come here. Come here. It's okay. Yeah. He's turning around a little bit.
Okay, we're gonna try it out, okay? Two more, okay?
Yo.
Wow, we got the moon boots.
Yeah, you got the moves. Come on. Take a step.
Let's entice him with food.
Ooh, yes, a mama. Oh.
Some food.
Oh. Oh. He's trying to kick it off. Small mama. Oh my god.
Oh no. Come here, Willie. Come on, you want this? You can do it, Willie. You can do oh.
Cheesy
Yes.
ensalada.
All Filipino kids have had this. Born and raised on that.
Cheesy bun.
Like, yeah, just ensamada in general. Pandesal. I like ensamada better than mamon.
Moist choco slice.
They have mini ones now.
Mini ones.
Yeah, it's one on the top.
Ooh.
Sans Raval or is that ube? It wasn't ube.
Sans Raval.
Sans Raval. So good, but it's basically like butter on the outside. It's basically butter on the outside. It's very rich. And then the panipig one is good too, but I like it in this shape. Shape matters. Yes. Thank you. Wow.
That's good.
It's chicken skin.
Chicken skin. Chicken skin chicharrones. Oh, fried pork chop.
Yeah.
Should we just get some of this? Magical placenta.
BLC action.
Oh yeah. I'm probably just most excited about G-Shock and Horse.
Yeah. We said the exit is looks like it's in a little.
Was the eggplant first? Enjoy the show. Yeah. But they're all hand finished. So what I tell around, you can count the laps. So, and you know the minutes. So it's like, all right, 2, all right, 2, 3, and so.
It's very light.
And we didn't bring any stuff.
Huge.
No, we didn't.
Fried JB oyster mushrooms. Baby King oyster.
Yeah.
Tastes like little chicken nuggets. It's good.
The baking soda in there really makes them crispy.
Good. I can eat like 50 of these.
Hey guys, can I get some rolling music, please?
Rolling music?
A slow feeding bowl.
Yeah. So I was bummed that it just didn't take off from what it is. Yeah. I thought it would. No, I think it's just like the way so like seasons will change even like sugar. I think a lot of the games, well, maybe it's just mine, but I feel like a lot of the gamers that are playing, a huge chunk of those people like 10 years ago that were playing a lot, those people still kind of, I don't know if I want to do translate that well. Like 5 games came out, triple A titles in the last like 3 months, they were all Someone told me about it to check it out. It's coming out like later today, and it's $70, which I
Ooh, yeah.
And let's do a large curry liquid milk and a regular pizza.
It's yours.
Oh, yes, could you both, please? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, pop choy.
Alright, it's done steaming in the foil. There's a broken egg in the carton. Didn't know if it was good or not. But it's good. And then difference between A grade and B grade eggs is when the egg white loses its form. Onion powder. Garlic powder. A little smoked pap. And scrambled egg on top of the smashed up eggplant. It's a medium high. Like it.